The very first step which we have to do in the first example, we're supposed to follow the order of operations, means we have to do exponents first. Okay, so I'm going to convert negative exponents to positive. Okay, so that's why I'm going to have 2 times 1 over 3 to the second power. Okay, remember, anytime I want to convert the negative exponent to positive, I have to find the reciprocal of this expression, and this negative sign I have to change to positive. Plus 2 to negative 2 is going to be 1 over 2 to the second power. Okay, equals. Now, because I have 2 over here, I'm going to convert this 2 to fraction. Also, I'm going to write 2 over 1 times 1 over 3 to the second power. 3 to the second power is 9, so I have 1 over 9 plus 1 over 4, because 2 to the second power is equal 4. Equals. Anytime we have multiplication of fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 2 times 1 gives me 2 over 1 times 9 gives me 9 plus 1 over 4. I have 2 fractions. In order to add fractions, I have to find common denominator. Common denominator for these 2 fractions is going to be 36. The question is, by what number I have to multiply 9 to get 36? I have to multiply by 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. So 2 times 4 is equal 8. By what number I have to multiply 4 to get 36? I have to multiply by 9. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. So 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, I can add these 2 fractions right now. So I'm going to have 36, and 9 plus 8 is 17. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, there is a few ways to do it, but let me show you probably the easiest one. Remember, anytime we do not have exponents next to the numbers or variables, there is always an invisible one. What we're supposed to do next, we have to multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. So I have 3, 1 times negative 2 over 4, 1 times negative 2. 3, 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, and 1 times negative 2 is 4 to power negative 2. Now I have negative exponents in the numerator and in the denominator. Okay? In order to eliminate negative exponent from the numerator, I'm supposed to take this number and bring down to the denominator. Automatically my negative sign next to the exponent is going to change to positive. If I want to eliminate negative exponent from the denominator, I have to take this number and bring it to the numerator. Okay? So that's why I'm going to have 4 to the second power over 3 to the second power. Okay? So I can say this is 4 to the second power is 16, because 4 times 4. And 3 to the second power is 9, because 3 times 3. This is the example of improper fraction. Most of the time we have to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. How we can do that? Make the long division. 16 divided by 9. How many times 9 goes into 16? Once. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract 16 minus 9 is 7. So this is 1 and 7 9s. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 1 and 7 9s. Let's take a look at the third example. We have negative exponent in the denominator. Okay, we said anytime we want to eliminate negative exponent from the denominator, we have to take the whole number and bring it to the numerator. Okay, so I'm going to have 4 times 5 to the second power over 1. Remember, anytime you are going to take everything from the denominator, 1 is going to always stay in there. Okay, so I have 5 to the second power is 25. So I have 4 times 25 over 1. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 over 1 is equal 100. This is the solution to my problem.